cheat sheet.
And I'm actually going to do it for you first, all right? I'm going to go through this. I'm going to try to do it picture perfectly. I never do, but I try to do it picture perfectly every single time. I'm going to talk about certification first. What creates a certified vehicle? Then I'm going to make sure the customer understands there are 3 rock-solid guarantees because of the certification process we put the vehicle through. I'm going to try to attach dollar values wherever I can, and then I'll finish by going through the select 3. All right? So, Darlene, certified pre-owned vehicles, are you familiar with them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you know about them? Remember, you're a customer.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're not Darlene.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I know nothing absolutely.
You're a Darlene.
I just know the Best Buy, they say.
The Best Buy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know what? It's nearly new. Closest things to new we can get. Consumers have defined it as a significantly better vehicle. Now, I'm a car salesman telling you it's a significantly better vehicle. You're probably a little skeptical, correct?
Correct.
As well you should be. Look, it's a better vehicle for a couple different reasons. Number one is the inspection process we put it through. Most dealers will do a safety inspection to make sure the vehicle starts, stops, and steers. We go way beyond that. We check virtually every system in the vehicle. If something doesn't pass, we pay. As a matter of fact, we pay an average of $1,400 to $1,500 per vehicle to make sure everything works before you take it home. We pay so you don't have to pay. That's our inspection and reconditioning process. It takes all of that together to create a certified vehicle. But once it's been certified, some great benefits accrue to you. Number one, do you ever worry about buying somebody else's problem when you're buying a used car?
Sir.
You don't need to worry about that here because we have inspected it, we've reconditioned it, but now we're going to guarantee the mechanical reliability of it for the first 6 months or 7,500 miles. Every system listed here, which is literally your powertrain all the way through your power seat motors and windshield wiper motors, all of these systems and parts are covered. Something breaks, Darlene, we pay for the repair, subject to a small $100 deductible, meaning if your power window actuator breaks and it's an $800 repair, you pay $100, somebody else pays the other $700. It also comes with roadside assistance for 6 months or 7,500 miles. Need a flat changed? We'll send somebody out. Need a tow? Need a jump? We'll send somebody to you. Lock your keys in your car? We'll send someone to you. Run out of gas? We'll send somebody out with a gallon or 2 of gas. All of that is complimentary, good for 6 months or 7,500 miles, but I'm going to guess you probably plan on keeping the vehicle a little longer than 6 months.
Yes.
Our finance department will show you how to upgrade that coverage to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years. All right? That's guarantee number one, but we don't stop there. Guarantee number 2 is going to sound just a little bit crazy. Darlene, you cannot pay too much for one of our courtesy certified pre-owned vehicles. Now, do you believe that?
It's a problem.
Car salesman telling you you can't pay too much? If you believe that, I'm going to have to take a credit application right now because I'd be concerned. All right? Look, you can't pay too much because we have a best value guarantee. Once you take delivery, we're going to give you 3 days. Search any website you want to, other new car franchise websites, used car websites, any website in Acadiana, Louisiana, Southeast, Northwest, Midwest, anywhere in this country. You find a similar vehicle with the same benefits we offer, advertised for a lower price, you show us that website, Darlene, we'll cut you a check back for the difference. Now, we put that in writing. Any dealer ever made that commitment to you before?
No.
You cannot pay too much for one of our certified pre-owned vehicles. And we're going to guarantee your satisfaction. Look, have you ever bought something from any retailer and once you got it home decided it wasn't quite right, so you took it back and exchanged it?
Pretty often.
Pretty often. Okay. You can't do that with cars, though, can you? Well, you can at Courtesy. We're going to give you a 72-hour exchange policy. We ask that you don't put more than 300 additional miles on the odometer. We ask that you don't run into anything because you need to bring it back in the same condition. But during those first 3 days, by the way, I never say if your wife or husband doesn't like it or your family doesn't like it, Why don't I say that?
There's a lot of individuals.
Well, I don't want them to go, well, really, I guess I should make my decision with my significant other here. All right? I never say that. If the seats don't suit you, if the equipment's not what you wanted, if the color doesn't suit you, if it doesn't fit in your garage, you bring that sucker on back here. We will exchange it for another. We put that policy in writing as well, Darlene. Why do I keep emphasizing the policies are in writing?
Tell them it's not a scam.
It's got more validity. It's got more credibility. And where is it in writing? Right here. Okay, there is no document. It's in writing right here. All right, so that's what I would go through. I would not go through the select three at this point because it's too much information. I would go through the select three when I was doing a trade walk, or I'm doing the walk around, or the demonstration ride on the vehicle they came in to buy. There's a better time to do it than right now. However, I'm going to do it right now if I can quit coughing. Tyler kept me up late last night. Now, we're going to give you 3 warranties that even new cars don't come with, Darlene. How crazy is that? Look, if you buy a new car and you get a ding or dent, is the manufacturer going to fix those for you? No. They're not going to fix your wheels if you scrape them on a curb. No. They're not going to fix your windshield if you get a star or a crack. No. We're going to do it for you. For the first year of ownership, unlimited miles, we're going to fix your dings and dents. Now, what's it cost to fix a ding or dent? Any idea?
About $100.
Anywhere from $75 to $150, depending on the size. All right? We'll fix an unlimited number of dings and dents for you. Ever scraped a wheel on a curb?
All the time.
Ever looked into what it would cost to get them fixed?
Oh, yeah.
100 to 150 bucks. We're going to fix an unlimited number of scraped up wheels for you over the next year. Star or a crack in the windshield, 75 to 100 bucks. We're going to fix all those for you. No cost to you. So, your car will remain better looking, but most importantly, it'll probably increase the resale value. We're going to do all those things for you because you're buying a car from Courtesy, okay? And yes, you will leave with that policy in writing.